Hi there, welcome to Orcja English. Today we are diving into the world of prepositions, and our star of the show is about. It is one of the most versatile prepositions in English, and you probably use it more often than you realize. So let's break down the different ways to use about with some fun examples. First up, we use about to indicate the subject or topic of something. We can see the examples. I am reading a book about space exploration. She gave a speech about climate change. Here about tells us the topic of the book and the speech. Easy, right? Next, about can be used to show an approximate time, amount, or number. Let's see examples. He will arrive about 5 o'clock. There were about 50 people at the party. It gives a rough estimate, not an exact figure. So if you're not sure about the exact time or number, about has your back. Let's see the third meaning. We also use about to describe movement in no specific direction. It's like moving around without a clear destination. She was wandering about the park. He looked about the room for his keys. Here about suggests a general area rather than a specific spot. Another common use is to show concern or relation to something. Examples: I'm worried about my exams. She's excited about her new job. It connects emotions or feelings to a situation. About is also used in many everyday expressions. For example, how about for making suggestions. How about we go for a walk? What about? For asking for more information or expressing concern. What about the meeting tomorrow? Alright, let's quickly recap the uses of about, subject or topic. A story about friendship, approximation, I will be there about 6 p.m. Movement, she walked about the garden. Concern or relation, he's nervous about his interview. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using about in different ways. You can drop them in the comments below. That's all for today's lesson on the preposition about. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Orcja English for more fun and easy English lessons. And hey, if you have any questions about this topic or suggestions for our next video, let me know in the comments. See you next time.